Realme's latest addition to the 8 series, the Realme 8 5G, was introduced to the market a couple of weeks ago, highlighting of course its 5G capability. After a week of using the phone, let's see if this is the phone to buy or are you better off with other affordable 5G phones. The Realme 8 5G comes in the usual yellow box of Realme, and inside you have the SIM card ejector pin, the user guides in different languages, a clear jelly case, an 18-watt power adapter, and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. The phone also has a plastic screen protector out of the box. The design of the phone has a premium look with a glassy back made out of plastic. At the front, you have the 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a punch hole camera located at the upper left-hand side compared to the more common center punch hole camera. And on the right-hand side of the phone, you have the power button, which also serves as the fingerprint scanner, which is fast and accurate in my experience. On the left, you have the volume rockers and the SIM card tray, which has a dedicated micro SD card for expandable memory. There's nothing at the top, but at the bottom, you have the 3.5mm audio jack port, the mic, the USB Type-C port, and the lone speaker grills. The Realme 8 5G's 6.5-inch display is capable of 90Hz refresh rate, and you can set it to auto for it to automatically adjust back to 60Hz for static images. Unfortunately, there is no mention of Gorilla Glass protection, and there is no option for an always-on display. The phone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and can last you the whole day depending on your use. Charging-wise, it takes more than 2 hours for a full charge using the charger that comes out of the box. For the software, the Realme 8 5G comes with Android 11 with the Realme UI 2.0. And though it's full of bloatware, the UI feels light and easy to navigate. Plus, you can customize the look based on your liking. The Realme 8 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, which is powerful enough for daily use and performs well with popular games such as PUBG and Genshin Impact. I played both games for 30 minutes on the highest possible settings and never experienced any lags on PUBG, but at 60 FPS on Genshin Impact, there's noticeable stutter and frame drops. For connectivity, the phone supports dual 5G, meaning you can have both SIM cards connected to 5G at the same time compared to other 5G phones that can only connect to 5G one network at a time. On the camera department, you have a triple camera setup at the back with a 48-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The main camera captures good photos while the 2-megapixel macro camera is not that useful for me. The 16-megapixel front camera, however, takes nice selfies. And here are sample photos and videos I got using this phone. To conclude, Realme's entry to the affordable 5G scene is not something to look past at even if it's not the most affordable out of the bunch. With the Poco M3 Pro and the Redmi Note 10 5G, both sporting the same MediaTek Dimensity 700, the Realme 8 5G's advantages are its higher megapixel selfie camera, a dedicated memory card slot, and the dynamic RAM expansion for smoother multitasking. Aside from that, you are sacrificing Gorilla Glass protection and around 500 to 4,000 pesos depending on which 5G phone you compare it to. So if I had to choose between the three phones, I would choose the Realme 8 5G if price is not a consideration. But if you're on a budget, you can try the Poco M3 Pro 5G, which should give you almost the same experience for a much lower price. So with that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, The Misadventures of Ronnie G. Thank you for watching and stay safe.